Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the crime or the extortion in Jamaica. Now, would you believe that when they were building the highway from Harborview to Albion, that persons tried to extort the highway, the building of the highway? I heard the Prime Minister talk about it and I couldn't believe it. It was unbelievable. I think the police put an end to the extortion. But I mean, can you imagine? Are things really that bad where you are going to try to extort the building of a highway? I don't remember the exact area where it happened, but it was between Harborview and Yalos. And then I heard the other day that the building of the hotel in Green Island, a major hotel, is going up down there. And do you know people are trying to extort the building of the hotel? Some things are just unbelievable. I mean, and then there was a third incident where the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway, people tried the same extortion thing there, and they have police stationed along the highway at a certain point 24 hours. Well, I don't know about 24 hours, but in the day and in the night you have police officers there. I mean, yes, that's terrible, that's bad, that shows the extent of what's going on. But as I was telling subscriber the other day, yes, you have these incidents, but you can't let crime hold back the progress. They will build these roads. These roads have to be built. So even though you have these, I don't even know if they're isolated incidents, I don't know how, but I mean, if you pick up any newspaper or listen to any newscast, you hear what's going on in Jamaica. But Jamaica is still progressing. Hotels are being built, roads are being built, infrastructure is being put in. So a lot of times people also say, when you talk about these roads being built, they say, what about hospitals? What about this, that? But the government is building hospitals. Spanish Town is getting a new hospital basically. I think it's 6 or 8 floors high. And I think they've started. Cornwall Regional is getting a new hospital. I don't know how far they've reached. I mean, we really need to go and start making videos of that hospital. So the next time we go to Montego Bay, which will be next week, we're going to give you videos on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, the Mobay Bypass, and the Cornwall Regional Hospital. And also they're building a new children's hospital in Montego Bay. I think it's called Bustamante Hospital West or something like that, but it's a children's hospital separate and apart from the project going on at Cornwall Regional. So they are building hospitals, and I'm not sure what's going on with the schools, but those things are being built. But the roads are essential because you need to be able to move around the island easily and quickly and comfortably. But I was really surprised that people would try to extort a project this big, the project that they know the government of Jamaica is behind. I'm really surprised. But all 3 projects have continued. The project from Harborview to Yalos, I don't think anybody is interfering with them again because the police are on the case. And the highway from Maypen to Mandeville has been built. They're still doing some finishing work, and hopefully the police, I'm wondering if it's a police station they're building there by the toll plaza where they have the office. Every time I go through there, I've seen police officers, and I asked somebody and they said it was to do with some extortion thing they tried. It's for basically the workers' protection. And the police are always there. I'm wondering if they're going to put a police post there. If anybody knows if a police post is going to be permanent at the toll gate, toll plaza, let me know, because they are always there. Which wouldn't be a bad thing. That's a good thing, because that highway is long. It's getting longer, and I think they should put a police post somewhere along the highway. The Princess Resort, it's continuing. We're actually going to make videos of that project too. No, we haven't made any, I think, of the Princess Resort yet, but we're going to get on top of it and give you videos of that side of the island. Alright guys, I was just giving you an update. I just found it very strange that people would try to interfere with a national project like that. Something that's so important to Jamaica. Something that the government of Jamaica is doing. So guys, let us know what you think about the extortion on those 3 projects. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.